go.
Hey everyone, it's Harry Gabriel here, and I am on a nature trail at school.
Hi, people.
That's Haven, and Nakota's right there as well. Oh well.
I got my shirt on it. There's our class. They're a bunch of idiots.
I don't want to turn around. It's freaking hot up in here.
Oh, look. Some trees just don't want to be hugged.
Some trees just don't want to be hugged.
To all my fellow tree huggers, some trees just don't want to be hugged.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Look at the spider web.
Years ago, you notice that the dominant tree here are these huge maples. They actually can't reach sugar.
I don't know if you can see me.
No.
Hi.
No.
Hi. Hold this.
You're on YouTube.
Yay, I'm going to be on YouTube.
You don't.
Don't put that out.
Yeah, because people will be like, what? YouTube?
The nature walk is
Just
so
don't mind us.
sorry.
At least being in class, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Hey guys, fun fact of the day. You want to know what the real meaning of bay means?
Yeah. Oh, poop.
Yeah.
It means poop.
Yeah.
I know what it means. Sorry, I'm weird, okay? Don't judge. Don't judge her friends.
No, we don't judge here.
Everybody judges on YouTube. But
We don't judge on my channel. If you do, you were banned from my channel.
You're a judger. Hello. I took pictures.
I took pictures too.
Hey, I'm suck it.
I don't know if I'll be able to do my outro.
I took pictures.
Why'd you hit it?
Yeah.
There was something on me.
This bees being in class.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
Get this in there! Get a picture,
You get it? That was an idiot.
Baka. There's many idiots. See?
Yeah. Welcome to the
World of high school.
No, you do not. No.
Name her channel videos. Wrong.
No,
Clara.
you do
Wrong.
You do not own my channel. I fell on the wood.
I'm okay. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm sweating.
So like, it is so
We
hot
just
out
got
here.
over with PE. So
No,
yeah.
you know what? If I wanted to go on a nature walk, I would have just walked in my backyard. Next time you come over, we can actually do a nature walk in my yard.
I'm gonna fall. I fall in every video I have. Wow.
Yes, you do.
I do.
So, what the fuck? Look, it's Illuminati.
Take a picture of that.
Illuminati. Okay, this is the life. Okay.
This isn't blurry, but this time.
If you guys don't want to be on YouTube, then just like what?
You're a bad photographer. Yeah, I know. I'm a good.
If you guys, hold on. If you guys don't want to be on YouTube, then you might not want to be in my video.
Hey guys.
You're on YouTube. I am. Because I never make them anymore.
Wait, you never make what? Why not? Nicole, keep up.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
guys, I'm gonna end this episode here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos from me.
Peace.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Sarah Gabriel here signing out. Peace.